Yes, you read the title right. I have bought another Jaguar F-Type and it's in this box. Yes, I've bought a model, but check this one out. This is brilliant. Now I don't spend a lot on models, but I do like to have just like a nice little model every now and again just of my cars. But when I found this one on AliExpress, I thought it was £12 delivered. I've got to have it, but I didn't really read the advert, and when it arrived, it was even better than I had imagined. Let's do an unboxing. Now I have already opened this previously, but that was just purely to check the contents, because as you probably know, when these come from China, they can be damaged when they get here. But this one has come pretty well packed. So taking off the outer wrapper, we find that it comes in this polystyrene box, which is totally sealed and it's not rattling at all, which is superb. So opening the polystyrene box, we have, are you ready? Can you see? Look at that. Ooh. We have the car itself. Again, wrapped in bubble wrap for extra protection. So let's take it out of the bubble wrap. Ooh. So here we have it, my latest Jaguar F-Type that's going to join my fleet of cars. When I said I didn't read the advert properly, look at this closely. This is an SVR. Look at this. So it's got the extra sort of part of the wing there for the SVR. It's got the rear spoiler as well. It's got the air intakes bigger at the front than a standard F-Type Jag. And I didn't realise that. I did not realise that I was buying an F-Type SVR replica. But even better than that, watch this. The driver's door opens, well, the passenger's on this side because it's a left-hand drive, as does the other door. Oh no, don't stop there. The bonnet or hood lifts up as well, and yes, it doesn't finish there. The actual back opens up as well, just like on a real Jag. That's amazing. So checking out the details, and I'll see if I can get some good camera angles for you. So you can see there the interior, we have all of what you'd have inside the actual real Jag. Even the door cards reflects the same design on the real Jag. Looking in the back, very similar, and under the engine. Now the bonnet doesn't come up as high as the real Jag does, but look, you've even got the engine cover, which to be honest is wrong because an SVR doesn't have an engine cover because of the heat under the bonnet. But they've actually kept the detail of that engine cover, which is absolutely amazing. And as I say, from the front, if you look closely, you can see you've got an SVR badge. And on the back, also an SVR badge and 4 exhaust pipes. So yes, I was over the moon when I got this car, but it didn't stop there, because I then started looking just a little bit closer, and when I looked underneath, I found there was a little area that takes batteries. I thought, why would this car take batteries? Surely it doesn't do anything more. It does. So I hunted around and I found the 3 AG13 little small battery cells it takes, and I installed them in the car. So let's do that and let's see what happens. So what do you think is going to happen when I open one of these doors? Are you ready? Do you see that? See the headlights flashed, it made a little beeping sound, but it does 2 different sounds. So if I close it again and open it again, and what I'll do is, I'll show you the back this time as well. So if we open this door, look at the red lights! So that's like an alarm sound, so it's the alarm's gone off because you've opened the door, right? So yeah, if you do either of them, that's what you get. Now if you open the back, nothing happens, and you open that, nothing happens. And to be honest, I was so impressed with that because of the lights. I love the way the lights come on, but it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. There's actually even better one than this. Watch this. So if I put it down on the actual table, and what you do, if you just press down on the driver's front wheel, get ready. That is amazing, isn't it? It's absolutely brilliant. I am so impressed with this. For £12 delivered, I've got my own little SVR. It's in a light grey. They didn't do a dark one. They do a few different colours. So I'm not going to put a link below because this is like AliExpress, and as you probably know, these links just come and go. So if I put the link in there, it's probably gone by the time you look at it. But you search for something like a F-Type model and you should be able to find it. But as I say, I did not realise, it did not say this was an SVR. It's even got the bonnet vents, look at that. It's got the ribbed bonnet vents as well. This is absolutely superb, well impressed. Just thought I'd to share that one with you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this one the thumbs up. See you on the next one.